Eric here with BTU.net. Here we are in 2023, getting ready to start a 23 season. This time of year, we're only doing basically new boats that never had air conditioning before. Maybe some older boats or maybe brand new boats. But we are here checking out this 27 island packet that we put air conditioning in. Most of our boats are between 30 and 55 foot, but you can put air conditioning in smaller boats. So this is a 27 island packet. Let's go check it out. Here we are going down the companionway of the 27 island packet. Quite a nice boat for its age. It's in quite remarkable shape. With these smaller boats, it's always really complicated. Where do you put the unit? That cabinet there is not deep enough. These cabinets down below, you can see these access panels. Just not deep enough. They're only like 9 inches deep. On this particular island packet, they're just very shallow, those storage areas. The larger boats, we've put one under that access and we've put one under this spot, but there's just no room for it. So it's always difficult trying to squeeze the units in with ductwork, and sometimes you just got to make them more simplistic, being a smaller boat with limited access. So we put the unit just under here. It's a 6,000 BTU Marinaire. The ductwork goes out the back. Oh, and there's a vent just here that'll do the whole boat. Oh, just one large vent. Just through the access, as you can see there, there's no way to get ducting to the V-berth. So that one vent's essentially, you know, is going to be putting in all the air for this particular boat. And then for the strainer and pump, this is the only access to this bilge area. So the valve is kind of like there, the 2-hole inbound grad coated strainer, really easy removable lid. March 500 pump, everything double hose clamped with 3/16 stainless steel marine grade clamps. So that's the outbound, and then the outbound line goes right behind the unit. It goes right out there through this outbound through hole. You can't quite see it. So it turned out really nice and clean. This is going to be the return grill, so I can get plenty of air. The control panel we put just here, so it's accessible. Very easy to operate and see, and use the unit there. And these also come with a remote control, which is kind of cool with the Marinaire units. So there we have it. We're on 2023, just doing all of our new builds. We only do, new builds this time of the year, whether it be a boat that never had it or a new boat. So somehow BTU.net always gets it done. They're never easy, but we always sort of figure it out. So if you need any air conditioning work done, please reach us at BTU.net. Just go on the website and fill out the form. Happy New Year.